Okay, to start the valve assembly, make sure that you double click on the project settings. Check two things in the projects. One is to make sure that you are using your inventor folder as the project folder. And then for folder options, make sure that you have a folder set up to save local content center parts. If that's done while you're creating the file, and also then when you open it, be able to go open, find the valve, find the assembly, and everything opens. Now, if you don't get the content center parts to open, that means that the files aren't in the right place according to your project settings, and the components can be deleted and replaced, or they can be replaced from the content center. If they're missing, it'll show up as an option.